This is part 2 of Tom and Pugsley's robbery. The evening started with a stealthy approach towards their mission. The roguish duo, armed with unorthodox tools, a metallic fish skeleton key, and a customized chew toy, had to surpass lasers, motion detectors, and an unforgiving robotic guard dog Goldie. As the suspense thickens, with their clever tricks and teamwork, they impressively unlock each security layer. It is a thrilling chase against time and technology to achieve the ultimate glory.